Hello, so let's work out this one. Assume you've come across this maths problem. How will you work it out without using calculator? So let's solve it within the shortest time possible. Solution. So we have 4 to the power of a is equals to 40. So if you know how to work it out, you can pause the video for a while. You work it out, then from there now we shall compare your answers, then comment your answers on the comment section. So from here now, we shall now check by solving the value for a. So for us to solve the value for a correctly, we shall introduce the log from both sides. So here now we shall have the log of 4 to the power of a is equals to the log of 40. So assume we have the log of p to the power of m. This one can also be written as m, the log of p. So in this way, we can as well work it out, the log of 4 to the power of a, by now having a log 4. So now we shall have a log 4 is equals to the log of 40. So from here now we divide both sides by the log of 4, then also this side by the log of 4. So log 4 and log 4 cancels, so now a is equals to the log of 40 all over the log of 4. So now we shall now factorize log 40 all over the log of 4, because this one is not the final answer. So for us to factorize it correctly, we shall now have the log a to be now a is equals to, so the log of 40 can also be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 10, then all over the log of 4. Then according to the law of exponents, you know that when it is in form of multiplication, when we now want to expand that bracket, we shall now have to introduce the addition. So now we shall have the log of 4 plus the log of 10, then all over the log of 4. So now we shall now divide both sides by the log of 4. So our value for a is equals to the log of 4, then all over the log of 4, then plus log 10 all over the log of 4. So log 4 and log 4 shall cancel. Then now our value for a is equals to, so this one now shall be 1 plus the log of 10 all over the log of 4. So we can now simplify this maths problem by now having a is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 10 can also be written as the log of 5 multiplied by 2, then all over the log of 4. So a now is equals to 1 plus, so now we shall have the log of 5 plus the log of 2, then all over the log of 4. So now our value for a is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 5, because we shall divide both sides by the log of 4, all over the log of 4 plus the log of 2 all over the log of 4. So our value for a can be 1 plus, so now we shall have the log of 5 all over, so log 4 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2, then plus log 2 all over the log of 2 to the power of 2. So now our value now is a is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 5 all over, so this one can be written as 2 log 2, then plus the log of 2 all over 2 log 2. So then now we shall say that, so we shall now cancel whichever that are similar. So a is equals to 1 plus, so this one now we shall have the log of 5 all over 2 log 2, then plus, so log 2 and log 2 shall cancel. Now we shall have 1 over 2. So a is equals to, so 1 plus 1 over 2, we shall have 3 over 2, so 3 over 2 plus, so this one now we shall have 1 over 2, then log 5 all over the log of 2. So suppose we have the log a all over the log of b, so this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So finally we shall now conclude that our value for a is equals to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 the log of 5 to the base of 2. So this one now qualifies to be our correct answer.